What are you doing? You Charlie. You playing with the ball, Ginger? No good slime down there. Where's Boo? Probably under the sofa. Oh, hello. Ow! Owie! Ow! Stop it! It hurts. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! No! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Oh, well, stop it! Ah, stop it! That hurts. Stop it! You're becoming like Harley. So are you, Ginger. Yeah, oh, beautiful face. What are you doing? I'll see you, Boo. No, whenever I go to stroke Ginger, they're always standing up on two legs. When they stop fighting around, and I can show the camera. You can join in. Oh, never get one. Stop it. Stop playing. No. Ginger. Ginger. You're just like the... I see you spying on me. Hey, stop it. Why are you not going on your two legs like you normally do? Yeah, that's a little cutie. What are you doing over there, you two? You got so cute. It's a shame we're going on the weekend. Your mama, you've just been eating the whole time. This chaos has been happening. Hey, what are you doing? What are you looking at? There's nothing there. This room is a mess. Ew, tiny doo-doo. Oh, okay, where's my camera? You're too close to the camera, baby. Yeah, Boo's emerging. So are you. Yeah, creepy. I'm scared of you. You hurt my feet. Hello, baby. Ow! What? Stop attacking me. Don't attack the camera. What are you planning, mister? What are you planning? Oh, no. Getting away from the steps. Beautiful thing. Oh, Mama's coming. Hello, Mama. How are you? Come here. Yeah, hello. Beautiful Mama. No, don't play with the pen. How? Where did you get that from? That's supposed to be on the table with the measurement books.